Have you ever felt like you've tried every make money online method out there and somehow the money still isn't showing up? You're creating content, you're posting, uploading, doing all the things that the gurus tell you to do. But it's like the income just skips your bank account. Yeah, I've been there, so I do understand. And since I've actually made affiliate income using this exact system, I can tell you it's easier than you think once you understand how it works. And that's why today's video is so important because what I'm about to show you is one of the easiest, most beginner friendly ways to start earning money online in 2025. Yes, we're going to dive into Amazon affiliate marketing using Pinterest. And I'm walking you through it step by step. And before you roll your eyes at me, please hear me out. Some people feel threatened by Pinterest. I know I was, but again, it really isn't difficult. There will be no fancy technology, no big audience, and no ad spend. Just smart systems and strategies that any beginner like you can implement. So grab a pen and notebook because by the time we're done, you'll know exactly how to set this up and start earning from products that people are already buying every single day. Now let's talk about Pinterest for a second because this is where people totally underestimate the potential of this platform. Pinterest isn't just a place for recipes, wall decor, and DIY hacks anymore. It's a visual search engine. People come here looking for ideas and products to buy. They're not just strolling or scrolling. They're actually shopping with a credit card in their hand. So when you mix Pinterest with Amazon's affiliate program, you've got a low stress, high potential way to make passive income online. But first, let's discuss why I love starting with Amazon Associates and why I recommend it for every beginner watching right now. Amazon's affiliate program has one of the lowest barriers of entry. You don't need a massive audience. You don't need a blog and you don't need to go through a bunch of red tape like you do with Impact, which is another affiliate platform, or ShareASale. You can literally sign up on Amazon Associates in minutes. Grab your first affiliate link and start sharing it that very same day. And here's the kicker. Amazon already did the hard work for you. People trust Amazon. They buy without hesitating. You don't need to convince anyone to click or purchase from Amazon. You just need to point them in the right direction to the right product that solves their problems. And here's a little bonus. Even if someone clicks your link for one item, but buys something completely different, you still get paid. Amazon tracks that for you up to 24 hours. So if someone clicks your link for a planner, for example, and ends up buying a blender and something else, guess what? You earn the commissions. That's the beauty of Amazon system. It rewards effort, not perfection. Now let's connect this to Pinterest and start building your income bridge. That's what I call it. Step 1, sign up for Amazon Associates. It's free and it's easy. You'll get access to your own unique affiliate links for millions of products. Amazon Associates even has its own link shortener, so you don't have that long link to promote. Step 2, create a Pinterest business account. This is also free. This gives you access to analytics and keyword insights so that you can see exactly what's trending and what people are actually searching for. Here's the mindset shift. You're not just posting pretty pins on Pinterest. You're creating tiny traffic magnets. Each pin is a free ad that lives on the platform forever. Pinterest pins don't vanish after 24 hours like TikTok or Reels does. They can drive traffic for months, even years. Now, technically, you can link directly from Pinterest to Amazon, but it's not ideal and not suggested. Some of those links can get flagged. The better way is to use what's called a bridge page. That could be a free pay page or Gumroad page or a short blog post on Medium or even a Google Doc. You put your affiliate links there and Pinterest traffic goes straight to that page. It's clean, compliant, and safe. All right, let's say that you're promoting Amazon products for home offices. Tongue twister. You could create a Canva pin that says best home office finds on Amazon under $50. You would add an image, link it to your bridge page, and boom, you've just built a passive income funnel. That was just so easy. Now let's talk about content themes because Pinterest loves consistency. Focus on categories like Amazon home finds, gifts for travelers, or gadgets for content creators. Whatever your niche is, you'll find something on Amazon. Those kinds of keywords, though, draw clicks all year round. Use Pinterest Trends. It's free, and it will allow you to see what's hot right now. And if you can post 1 to 5 pins daily, you'll start building visibility fast. Pinterest even has a built-in scheduler. Yep, you can literally set it up once a week, walk away, and let it keep working for you. All right, let's pause for a second because I want to show you something that will make this 10 times easier for you. You see, let me tell you this. Pinterest and Amazon affiliate marketing is just one income stream. And it's powerful, as you can see. But it's not the only one you can build. I teach 15 different income streams just like this inside my 2-hour video workshop. This isn't a fluffy motivational talk session. It's a complete system showing you exactly how to make money online without waiting on YouTube AdSense. And since we're talking about affiliate marketing today, I want to hook you up with something special, and it's my Faceless affiliate marketing system. I call it my Kickstart system. Inside, you'll get my Pin to Profit guide, which walks you through how to design viral Pinterest pins and drive targeted traffic straight to your affiliate links. You'll also get the affiliate Kickstart roadmap system, which shows you the exact steps to go from setup to your first sale, and my affiliate marketing blueprint, where I break down the strategies that you need to use and the ones that pros use without ever showing your face on camera. This system is designed for creators just like you, people who really want income. They want real income, but don't want to chase trends or rely on YouTube monetization. You can grab it right now below the video. And yes, the bonus guide comes free with the bundle. All right, now let's get back to Pinterest strategy. Remember, this is about systems and strategies, not luck. You don't need to post 100 times a day. You just need to post with purpose and intention. Use keyword-rich pin titles like Amazon Gadgets, as I said before. You'll wish you bought sooner. Amazon Gadgets you will wish you bought sooner, or home office must-haves for 2025. Make your text big, clean, and curiosity-driven. In your pin description, write naturally, mention Amazon finds, 2025 favorites, or Pinterest must-haves. Pinterest uses those words to match your pins with searches. So the more relevant your description, the faster you will grow on Pinterest. And don't forget your analytics. They will tell you exactly what's working and what is not working. When you notice one pin taking off, all you have to do is just double down on it. Change the color, make a new version of it, or tweak the title. Keep what works and repeat it over and over again. That's how you scale. Now let me say this. You don't need thousands of followers or subscribers to make affiliate sales. You just need consistent visibility and the right products in front of the right people. If 50 people click and 5 buy, that's still real money. And the more pins you have out there, the more chances you have to earn daily commissions. Here's a bonus pro tip before we wrap everything up. Lifestyle pins perform best. Instead of showing plain product images, show the product being used by someone. Canva makes this super easy. If you're promoting an Amazon planner, for example, show it on a desk with a coffee cup beside it and someone sitting around the desk using the planner. People click what feels real, not what looks like an ad. And please, always disclose your affiliate links. You can simply write something like, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualified purchases at no extra cost to you. It builds trust and your audience will respect you for letting them know. Now, here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video and move on to the next video. Take 10 minutes today and set up your Amazon Associates account. Then spend another 10 to 20 minutes creating your Pinterest business page. Because I promise you, one small action a day compounds fast. You could look up 3 months from now and be earning passive income from pins that you posted weeks ago. And remember also that if you really want to take this further, grab my Faceless affiliate marketing Kickstart system in the description below. It includes the Pin to Profit guide that I explained, the affiliate Kickstart roadmap, and the full affiliate marketing blueprint. Everything you need to start and grow your affiliate income the right way from the get-go. Then, when you're ready to scale, go watch my 2-hour workshop right after, because that's where I show you 15 more powerful ways to make money online without relying on AdSense or massive subscribers and followers. If you're tired of followers or subscribers who only watch and never buy anything, this workshop and this system will change all of that. The links, again, are right below in the description. Your 2025 affiliate income plan starts right now, today. You've got this. Now go make those pins, grab those links, and start turning your scroll time into income time. And if you love this strategy, you are going to flip when you see the next video, because we are going to take affiliate marketing straight to Instagram. Yep. I'm going to show you how to use carousels, reels, and bio links to start earning affiliate commissions right from your very phone. So if you're ready to build your next income stream, that video is up next. Go watch it right now and let's keep growing your affiliate empire together. Thanks for watching.